Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing both hardware and source. Make sure your AirPods Max are charged above 50% and paired to a device with updated firmware. This prevents power-based throttling. Clean the cushions and mesh to remove oil and debris that muffle highs. Once done, play a high bitrate reference track and set your device EQ to off so you hear the uncolored bass line. These steps remove simple physical and software restraints, so you can hear real differences from later adjustments. Now you optimize signal processing. Turn on headphone accommodations and select a profile aimed at clarity or balanced sound. This alters frequency response subtly. For precise control, use a parametric EQ or desktop DSP. Reduce 200 to 400 Hz to clear mid-range muddiness, and add a gentle boost around 8 to 12 kHz for air. Keep boosts to about 2 to 4 decibels to avoid sibilance. Also prioritize higher quality codecs and limit nearby. Finish by ensuring the headphones physically seal and firmware is healthy. Reposition the headband and cups until you get a snug seal. Small shifts change bass and imaging a lot. If odd artifacts persist, perform a soft reset or check for a firmware update. This can fix DSP bugs. Finally, audition several tracks across genres at moderate volume to confirm balance and absence of clipping. If things still sound wrong, try toggling acoustic mode or rerunning the EQ, and note which change improves the sound.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.